It's your girl Sweet Pea back with another video. Look, we're going to get right into it. You so pretty. Okay, first of all, this is a full lace wig. And you already know with a full lace wig, you can basically do anything with it. You can part it anywhere. You can do any style. But this is the best part. Shein is having a buy one, get one free sale. I know it's like unbelievable. So I'm going to get right into it and show you how easy it is. All you got to do is go to Shein website, type in 111 in the search, and voila, an array of gorgeous wigs. Right now, buy one, get one free. And if you use this code, FREE8, they're going to send you 8 free gifts. Okay, so let's get into it. Yay, we got a cute new pink box. This is their new packaging. Okay, so this wig is a 14-inch, 150% density, full lace wig. Inside the box, you got your stocking cap and your how-to care card. Okay, and this is how she looking, so cute and straight. Okay, so the inside is a full lace, completely all around. It has your standard combs, one in the front, one in the back, and 2 on each side. So for this wig, because you know I'm a part of the Little Bitty Head Committee, I did resize the wig, I did bleach the knots, and I did pluck the edges. And so now I just put a couple of rod curls in there, and let's try to install her and see how she looks. Shine bright like a diamond. So I got her all curled up, and I waited about 2 or 3 hours to let the curls fall so they wouldn't be so tight. I missed y'all too. Where y'all been? I know y'all like, we ain't seen you. Shine bright like a diamond. Super cute already. Not even glued down. Super cute already. Okay, Shein. I don't know. I might make the curls tighter. We'll see. So I always start with the bottom, since I don't know if you guys notice, every time you put glue on, it always takes a long time for the glue on your edges down here to dry. So I start here first, then I go up, then I repeat. And I do the same on the second side. That way, by the time this dry, this would have been dry with this equally. And if you don't understand what I mean, I'm going to show you. I'm gonna wait 5 minutes, then I'm gonna do this. Well, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. I don't want y'all to miss none of my videos. Oh, and tell me what kind of hairstyle you guys want to see next. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you.